Okay, so I've already decluttered everything. I took all of these items that you see on that table. I took them off the shelves that I'm cleaning right here, and I put them on the table just so that I could prepare to clean the shelves. Don't worry about the blinds. I've already taken measurements, and I will be getting new blinds. I don't even know how they broke, but we have already made the proper adjustments to order new ones. So now I found this cute little drink dispenser. I don't know why I didn't check for tape on the sides, guys. So probably because I was on the phone. But as you can see, it was tape on the sides. That's why I was taking me so long to get the top off. But this drink dispenser came from Big Lots. It was only about $14, and what I really liked about it is it's plastic. So I decided to use this to put all of my liquid detergent in. So you'll see me putting, right now I'm getting my playlist together. But I did end up putting my liquid detergent in there. I think I used the Gain detergent, and I used several of them to kind of get it at least halfway full so that it could dispense properly. So you'll see me pouring that into this container. So right here you'll see me grabbing these 3 glass containers that I picked up from Big Lots, and I know the taller one was about $6, and I think the 2 smaller ones were like $5. And I'm using the taller one to put my pods in, and I'm a couponer, so I use all kind of pods. I use whatever I get a deal on. These were the Arm & Hammers. These are my least favorite, but they were already open, so I used those. So the other 2 jars, I'm putting my fabric softener, the dryer sheets in, and then the 3rd jar, I am using my Gain flings, the little beads that go in the washer to make your clothes smell good. I'm putting that in the 3rd one. And so I just went on and kept the scooper from the container so that I can scoop the beads out, and I just left it in the jar. So I also grabbed a couple baskets from Big Lots. This basket I purchased, I think it was about 12 bucks, and I'm just using it to start putting my overflow in. So I'm putting my dryer sheets and all of my pods in this particular basket because I figure it's a lighter basket, so I'll be pulling it down more often. Whereas this next with this next basket, it's a little bit more heavier, and these were, I bought 2 of them. These were $15 each, and I'm using that to put all of my overflow detergent in. So I'll probably keep a few of the detergents out just so I don't have to pull this one down so much, because it is going to be a little heavier. And as you can see, I'm putting like my overflow Febreze, some overflow cleaning supplies, and just anything extra that I may have. I'm just going to put it into these last 2 baskets. So I had to get some help getting that basket put up there. But now what you see me using, this is just a moisture and odor eliminator, and I thought it would be great for the laundry room just in case you know, we have towels or anything like that. It'll absorb the moisture as well as any odor that may be from dirty clothes, which shouldn't be, because that's the whole point of this organization, is so that we don't have dirty clothes. So I'm putting more of my overflow into the 2nd bin, and I'm also putting some extra toilet paper. Some extra toilet paper. I'm placing it in here as well. And you'll see me put more toilet paper somewhere else a little bit later. But this is, again, this is the overflow section. So now I'm just giving everything a nice little wipe down, making sure everything is nice and clean as I start to put things away. I'm pretty much done with that part of the organizing. I do have these 2 spray bottles that I did end up putting my stain remover in and some wrinkle release spray. I did put those in there, and those came from Dollar Tree, and they were only $1 each. So I actually had this bookshelf. I bought it way back in December, and it's really been riding around in my trunk. I bought it for the salon, but I never ended up using it. And I thought about it as I was doing this transformation of my laundry room, that this would be a good place to put it. So I sat here for about 20 minutes and just, went through and put it together. It wasn't very hard. It was one of those easy little bookshelves. I think it's like Mainstays or something like that, but it came from Walmart. And I don't remember paying over like maybe 20 or 25 bucks for it. So I'm just kind of sitting here putting this together. So here's the finished product. I got it all put together. And these little storage bins, I got these from Dollar Tree. They were only $1 a piece. Now, I'm be honest, they are $1 worth. They're not very, sturdy as the ones you would get from any other place. But, for this purpose, I felt like they served the purpose. So I'm just going to put more overflow stuff here that will be reaching for a lot more. So I did extra toilet paper. I did like the trash bags. For the trash can that I'm going to put in the laundry room. Just simple things like that so that we could just reach for it very easily and not have to reach up high for it, and my son have easy access to it as well. Okay guys, so here's the finished look. I have my little 3-tier laundry bin. You see the baskets here. You can get a really good look at them now. I think I really like the way it came out. I'm not completely finished. There are some other things that I want to do. But as you can see, the toilet paper is in here. But it's so much stuff that I still want to do. I have to get more rugs and more pictures. But for a one-day run and to like quickly do this within like 2 hours. Oh, this picture I did get from Big Lots as well. It was only $10. But I really like the way it came out. It has really made laundry a lot more fun for me. And I don't dread going into my laundry room now. So the task now is just making sure my family keeps everything nice and clean. This is a closer look at the spray bottles that I got from Dollar Tree. Again, they were only $1. And then, I kept I'm going to get one more of these drink dispensers for my fabric softener. But I kept the cap of the laundry detergent so that I could dispense the laundry detergent there as well. So we had this big table in a laundry room, and basically everybody was just taking the clothes out the dryer and throwing them on a table. So I folded that up. I put this detergent down here simply because my son plays sports and I wash all the uniforms, and that's the detergent that we use just for the uniforms. So I didn't want to get those confused. So this is it for now. I'm going to definitely add more pictures up on the wall. And as you can see, I need to get more rugs and things like that. But I'm really happy at the way it turned out. We are going to put a coat of paint on the wall. And like I said, we're going to replace those blinds, and I'm definitely taking that picture down once we get more pictures. But it's a really big space, so we have a lot to work with. I did end up removing that vacuum cleaner, and I moved the trash can. I put a trash bag in it, and I did hang the ironing board and the iron. I did hang it up on the wall with one of those little wall fixtures. So I'm still adding more stuff to it, but like I said, for a one-day run, I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video, and hopefully it gave you guys some ideas. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.